shocking turn of events, Sangeetha Sornalingam, the wife of Tamilaga Vetri Kalagam chief and actor Vijay, has filed a petition for divorce against him in the Chengalpattu Family Court, Chennai. Reports suggest that Sangeetha has been living separately from her husband prior to filing the petition. According to the divorce petition, Sangeetha has accused Vijay of engaging in an extramarital affair, alleging that he had an adulterous relationship with an actress. The petition states that in April 2021, Sangeetha discovered Vijay's alleged relationship, which caused her deep emotional pain and mental suffering amounting to a betrayal and violation of marital trust. The petition further claims that Vijay continued an open association with the actress, causing Sangeetha emotional distress and embarrassment for their children. It states that since 2021, Vijay had emotionally withdrawn, treating Sangeetha with verbal disrespect and subjecting her to constructive neglect, forcing her to live separately within the matrimonial home. Sangeetha also alleged that Vijay frequently travelled abroad and attending public events with the actress. The petition notes that the actress regularly posted pictures of her outings with Vijay on social media and that the actor neither denied nor objected to these posts, thereby unspoken supporting them. Vijay and Sangeetha first met in the year 1996. Sangeetha, a Sri Lankan national, was brought up in Britain. The couple officially registered their marriage in the year 1998 in the UK. The divorce petition highlights serious allegations of marital infidelity, emotional neglect, and breach of trust, which have reportedly led to the couple living apart for several years. Neither Sangeetha nor the actor turned politician Vijay has officially confirmed the news. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital for more updates.